guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today I'm going to show you guys a Beyonce inspired ponytail because I can't get enough of that On the Run tour that she has with Jay Z. It's just amazing, you know, the performance, how she looks, and I just like feel so alive when I watch it on Instagram and stuff. So I thought, let me create that ponytail look, as I love to wear like ponytails, but I don't have like a full bush. So I'm going to show you guys, you know, how to create a full ponytail without having like a full bush. So I'm using clippings, and I will show you guys further in this video. Keep watching and you'll see the steps and the result. So let's go. So guys, what we need: some hair bands, bobby pins, and some clippings. So I have the color, like, this is black and light brown. So since I can't use them like for how my hair length is now at the moment, which I'm happy about because it grew, yeah, I'm going to use them for, you know, the ponytail. So this is the first time I'm trying this out with these clippings. So hopefully it will work, and hopefully this won't be a waste of time. A side high ponytail. This is good. Now I'm going to leave this out because I don't have a lot of clip-ins, and hopefully this will give some extra volume to it. So let's see. Okay, first part has been done, getting the hair into a side high ponytail. Can you imagine? Just this. So what I've learned about clippings are to use to volumize the hair. So not to create extra length, but use them to volumize the hair, because what I've learned is when your hair is too short for these clippings, you have like these, you know, things hanging out, and it just like looks weird. So just buy them to like volumize your hair, not to create length. So this is the amount that I'm going to use for the ponytail. Let me calm them with my nails. Yeah, so you can buy these, you know, prepared ponytails and just like clip them in your hair. But I thought, you know, I'm just gonna work with what I already have instead of buying stuff. So and these were like expensive, so it would be a waste to just like leave them in the closet. Going to need an iron device or a curl device. So yeah, okay, this is good. Start with the longer parts. So okay guys, so opening the comb that's in the pin, and then I'm going to add it or place it, or I don't know how you say it, but I'm just going to put it here. So yeah, and it would be wise to add some pins to it. Okay, I can't see what I'm doing because I want to show you guys, but you know, want to make sure it's like tight to the hair. You don't want to have it fall out when we're walking on the street. No, no, no. I hope you guys can see it. So okay, I hope this is like tight enough. And now I'm going to go around my hair with it. So okay. And then I'm going to adjust it again to my hair by opening the other ends of the last clip of the other end. So okay. Can you imagine me walking like this with a thin piece of hair? result, and I kind of like it. So I did neaten up my hair, because at the beginning I just started in the front, and when I went from the front to the back, I messed up the girls in the front. So I did them over. I just took the clip-in part, so I didn't like have to damage my hair. He damaged my hair too much. So yeah, that has like a way better result. You know, I just like put some extra decorations on my ponytail. So I added like this band here. This one I got from O1. So, and since I got it, I have actually been using it. Yeah, so I thought this would be cute for this look, and I wanted to like spice it up. And yeah, as I told, like, you know, these Beyonce performances just like, you know, inspire me, and they make me happy and like just like enthusiastic. So I was like, let me get my flow on, my get yeah. So yeah, I like. So oh yeah guys, one advice. So when you're deciding to become a YouTuber, a vlogger, don't go and live in the city. No, no, it's too much noise, too much shouting. Oh, shut the fuck up. Okay, anyways guys, thank you for watching. This was it. Let me know what you think of the video in the comment section below. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I don't know when my next video is going to be. I'm on that inner peace journey, so you know, takes time, and you know, sometimes you need to prioritize things, you know, because there is nothing more important in the world than your health and just your well-being. So you know, so yeah, but more videos will come. So if you press that bell next to the subscribe button, you can, you know, keep track on when I will be posting a new video. So you will get a notification, Sarah JM posted a new video, so you don't have to wait on it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm going to be in my groove, in my Beyonce Jay Z groove with my look. So I love it, and see you guys soon.
Get off my head. Give me the ball, take a top shift.